This is the Hillegass Parker house tour. This is the entrance to Hillegass Parker. This is one of Hillegass Parker's communal living areas. This is a dining table where a lot of people will eat their food. Following this is just more communal living space. This is more communal areas, more for food storage and food prep. This is the dishwashing area, so you can see some people are washing their dishes. This is the kitchen area where people will prep their food. This is the pantry area where people will store their food. This is the free pile where people will put free items. On the left is the laundry area where people will wash their clothes. It costs $125 for wash and dry. This is the maintenance room where people will work on their own personal school projects or whatever they'd like to maintain, as well as for the house, any maintenance will happen here as well. This is the outdoor area, which everyone communally shares. Hillegass Parker is actually 3 houses on one piece of land. So it's like connected via this backyard area, and everybody can use the backyard area. They have a barbecue and some bike racks as seen. The building to the left is the gym. So this is an inside look of the gym. It has some communal space where people can sit, as well as exercise equipment. This is a sample bathroom. Bathrooms are not connected to the rooms, so you would share a communal bathroom with a couple people for each room. This is one of the study spaces of Hillegass Parker. There's another bigger one, but this is just one that's in one of the houses that communally everyone can use. This is a sample hallway of Hillegass Parker. So the buildings are usually 2 stories, so you could either have a room on the first story or the second story. So this is just an example of like the hallway and staircase layout that you would see. This is a sample deluxe single for Hillegass Parker. This is another sample deluxe single for Hillegass Parker. This is a sample standard single for Hillegass Parker. This is another sample standard single. This is a final sample standard single.